Hey everyone, welcome to this episode of Garage Works. In this episode, I've got some buddies coming over again. We are going to take care of the interior. So that means center console out, dash out, whatever wiring's left, we'll pull it out and take care of any of the sound deadening and whatnot that's left underneath there. The vinyl, I'm not keeping it, we're going to tear it out. When the time comes, I'm getting all new interior. I want this to look mint. So let's get started. So I'm going to be taking apart the center console now. For the most part, it's just dirty. So I think as long as I be careful and I can take it out, there's no cracks in it currently. It just needs a good cleaning. Hopefully it's not weather damaged. You know, sometimes the plastic just starts to get a haze to it and crumbles. It doesn't feel like it's at that point, so I'm just hoping a good cleaning and some Mother's interior spray will be able to fix it, and I won't have to paint it or anything. So anyway, gotta get to it. So the boys and I got the dash out. Came out pretty easy. I thought it was going to be a lot harder than it was. No surprises. Just I'm able to actually get in there now. Next I'm going to work on taking off the what would you call it? The thermal coating or sound deadening. Yeah, the sound deadening, which is on the hump here. So I'm going to fire up the air hammer. It's nice and cold in here. Beautiful Canadian winters. Turn this stuff really brittle and it'll snap right off. So I'm going to move the camera off to the side and then you'll be able to watch me go through. Okay, let's go. So that's it for this episode. We got done what we set out to. Thanks guys for coming over and helping me out with that, as always. The dash has some rust in the metal frame. It looks surface starting to dig into it. I think I can wire wheel it and prime and paint it, seal it up. It'll last a long time. There's a couple cracks in it. I'll fix those in a future episode. But for the most part, everything came out great. The only thing I really don't know if the heater system stuff works. I know the radio is kind of meh. So I'm just going to put those off to the side now and I'll deal with them once I start kind of refurbishing all of that. But for now, I now have access to the floor, trans tunnel, everywhere I need to get to start repairing the metal. So you're going to start seeing that in the episodes to come. Okay, remember to like and subscribe, and we will see you next episode. Catch you later. Bye.